of the show. If you watch my videos, you know I really like this product right here from Sporlan. CSG 163S. Dryer sight glass combo. I love this thing. You want to make this repair. You don't have to recover the charge. Got a receiver, front seat, the king valve, right here, your liquid line valve. So I front seated that all the way. Now the unit's gonna pump down. We're gonna get all the gas back into this receiver. And it's doing that right now, it's pumping down. We'll go ahead and open up the low pressure control. We'll bump it, pull it in, pull it way down. Then we can cut this out, sweat in our new dryer sight glass combo, and there it goes, you can hear it. Boop. Pumping down and shutting off. And then we'll be on our way. Okay. Sight glass is on the wrong side. You always want to go drier than sight glass. As you can see, Sporlan has it right here. See the arrow? This one, the sight glass on the opposite side. So I went ahead and shined up the ends with some sandcloth. And then we'll figure out where we want to make our cuts. We're just going to make them super close. And we'll fit it in there. And then it'll sit like that. So I got the tubing cutter. We'll go ahead and cut the copper. Party foul right here. I wish I was right there on the beach with, well, yeah, the whole 6-pack right there. And then look, bam, good job. The perfect kind of repair, or that little H.V.A.C battery operated vacuum pump is perfect for. Because we're recovering from the low side, down through the coils, back up through the dryer sight glass combo, and then to the top of that king valve. It's like perfect setup. You don't have to go look for electricity, plug and play, get your vacuum going, and perfect for that little H.V.A.C vacuum pump. Ready to go. Right to the box. Always make sure you got your direction going the right direction. I had a coworker the other day going, why don't they just make bi-flow dryers? I think you never have them the wrong way. We were thinking about that the other day. What do you guys think? This compressor is 19 years old. It was 2000 model. 19 years on that thing, still running. And we're not far from the ocean right here. Not bad. Not bad at all.